Ndewonu ndị ọma na-ege ntị. Ọka bụ m Maazị Ogbonnaya Obnonukube TV ka ị na-anụ m n'ụbọchị taa. We want to talk about the easiest way to learn Igbo language. You know, over the years I've been teaching people from diverse background, those who are learning Igbo language as a second language, those learning Igbo language even as a first language, even as a foreign language, because I have a lot of African Americans learning Igbo, and some South Africans, Ghanaians, other nationalities, other nationals learning Igbo because of their spouses are Igbo. Their spouses are Igbo. Their husband and wife are Igbo, and they want to know the language of, their kind of their partners' place, something like that. So now, let me talk about the easiest way to learn Igbo language is to believe you can learn it. It's just a rocket science, no. Some persons are too afraid. They'll be like, Igbo is very hard, Igbo is very difficult, Igbo is very confusing, Igbo, other languages are very simple. That is when you don't believe in yourself. You are kind of being pessimistic about your learning processes. So when you are optimistic about something and you believe that you can do it, then you can do it. So Igbo is very difficult. It's a sweet language. If you understand Igbo language very well, oh man, the way it is garnished with proverbs, with figurative expressions. Oh, if you understand Igbo language very well, read the literature, damn, you will be so excited that you do. So the best way to learn Igbo language is to prepare your mind, your mindset. Know that you are going to learn it. Believe that you are going to learn it. It's very simple. And put interest. Have interest in it. When you have interest in anything, it is 100% sure you are going to be a master of that particular thing. So when you don't have interest, you'll be like, what is there? What am I using it for? Man, you don't believe in yourself. And when you say, what am I using it for? Of course, you're already having a negative mindset towards it. And it will be difficult for you, even when you realize that you're supposed to learn it and you started learning it, it will be so difficult for you. So prepare your mind. I have a lot of African Americans. I don't want to use the word Black Americans. It's, it's a racial slur. Let me use African American, of course, So I have some of them learning Igbo language because they trace their ancestry through their DNA. They noticed that they were descendants of slavery from Igbo land, and they picked interest in the language. They started searching on the internet. Some of them saw my profile on the internet, and they sent me email, and some connected me through Facebook and other social media handles, and we started the class. First, they have zero interest. I saw it in their fact. The kind of interest, the kind of zeal they have is too much. Now, okay. So if you see, within 1 month, you see them having a simple, meaningful conversations in Igbo. And I'm not just teaching Igbo how to read, how to hear, how to speak, how to understand and communicate. I teach the grammar. Yes, because once I teach the grammar, it will enable the persons to use his or her head to make sentence, So I teach the grammar of Igbo language, not just speaking or communication. No. So why? They are successful because they have the interest. So interest is one of the most important thing in language learning. Yes, it's language learning. Interest. So as learn Igbo now, Igbo is not hard. Have you tried it? So ask question. Remember this video, feel free to drop comments, ask questions. I will attend to you. And of course, just ask questions, anything at all concerning Igbo language, we address it. So this channel is a home for Igbo language, home for Igbo literature, home for Igbo culture, home for Igbo history. we'll be speaking Igbo, we'll be speaking English, we'll be speaking French. Say French na ndi a piano. See, I know Sabi speak French, so sometimes pidgin too. So just to drive the point home. So it's a ask question anytime. Remember to subscribe. Don't forget Onukube TV. Yes, start now. Have the interest. Start up. Then you grab it, and we help you. If you want to learn Igbo language, that is my job. I teach Igbo language, so you get to me that you want to learn. That's all. We'll help you. And we are working on ebooks that will be helping people to learn Igbo language. A lot of them on the way, and we are working so hard. And we're also producing the audio books that also help you. So once everything is out, we are going to launch it to the public. Ndewono, yagaze, dalo, wakabum, mazi, onaya.